Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Marikina River Park. Yan, okay? Hello guys, so we are here at the River Park. So we are going to interview some students on what are their insights on wasting foods. Hello po, pwede po ba kayo? So Bali, why do you think people waste food?
Depends po. Meron po kasi mga taong hindi po talaga kayang i-consume yung kinakain nila. So, I think minsan po yung ibang tao, tinatapon na lang po yung ibang pagkain na hindi nila mauubos. Yun lang po.
Sige po.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Ikaw kuya?
Ako binibigyan.
Hindi kita binibigyan. Para po matas. Okay lang po ba? Sige po.
One eternity later.
So, why do you think people waste food?
Waste food? Siguro yung mga taong tingin lang, yung kumbaga bibili sila ng madami, tas yung kakainin lang nila is yung makain nila, tas once nabusog sila, parang itatapon na lang nila yung mga foods.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Interview lang po.
Bakit ako?
Bakit ako? Why do you think people waste food? Why do you think people waste food?
Waste food?
Apo.
Waste food
Tatapon.
Wait lang, isip ko.
Upload nyo ba sa social media? Ano lang po, for project lang po.
Yan, sige.
Uy!
Siguro factor yung yung sa mga masyadong may yung budget. Kumbaga, meron kasing taong pag kumakain, ay tikim-tikim lang, tapos 'di ba? Waste na lang yun ng pagkain. Tapos meron naman din iba tao mata lang, ganyan. So waste din ng ng pagkain. Meron din naman for Instagram ganyan, pipicture lang sila tas okay na, balance sila. Pero madalas kasi gumagawa nun mga mayayaman na tao. Unlike sa mga may kaya lang or talagang poor of the poorest, hindi nila nagagawa kasi nga 'di ba, may mga may mga kababayan na sa basura lang kumakain, kumukuha ng mga pagpag na sinasabi nila. Pero kasi yung mga mayayaman na ilang digits yung sweldo nila. May mga ilan din namang galing sa hirap na lumaman, pero meron talagang given na mayaman. Kaya ang masasabi ko, pag may mga nag-waste talaga na pagkain, mostly mga mayaman talaga, o mga pagkain na binibili nila or in-order nila online or restaurants na yun.
Our problem for today is food waste. So, how are we going to solve that problem? What are the things that we have to consider in order to solve that problem? So now we are going to base on the answers of the students who we interviewed in order for us to find the real solution to that problem. Here are some of the solutions that may actually come to mind when it comes to food waste. So first of that solution is buying the food items that you actually need only. So in order to do that, in order to not waste food, then you should actually check your appetite first. So when you check your appetite first, you can get into a number, or you can estimate the food that you actually need or want in order to avoid wasting food. So next solution is that reuse the food that you don't like, or simply reuse the food. So you can do that just by simply, if you don't like the food, then maybe you could reuse it into a dish that you might like. Or if there's a leftover food, then you might actually reuse it for something else. So that is one of the solutions. One of the solution for it is actually making a list, what you need, what you want, what is for today, what is for tomorrow. And making a list is actually limiting you from what you actually need. And sometimes making a list will be better for you than just randomly picking from the grocery. And sometimes it's better to get what you need, not what you want, because sometimes your wants it's a never-ending cravings. So what will happen? You will overlook some dishes that may come to waste. So next solution is that buy portions of food that you need. Buy the portions of food that you can eat, that you can consume. So those are the solutions that we have to consider in order for us to stop food waste. So that is all, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you learned a lot from this vlog.